The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world and is located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Construction of the building started in 2004 and was completed in 2010. The building was designed by Adrian Smith and is part of a large development called Downtown Dubai. The construction of the Burj Khalifa was not without difficulties. The project was originally meant to be completed in 2009 but was delayed due to the global financial crisis. There were also problems with the quality of the concrete being used for the construction. Despite these difficulties, the building was completed and has become a symbol of Dubai. Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about Burj Khalifas. Introduction, history, construction, challenges, completion, usage, future. Number 1. Introduction. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. It is located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The building was designed by Adrian Smith, of Skidmore, Owings and Merrill. The construction of the building began in 2004, and it was completed in 2009. The building is 828 meters, 2,717 feet tall, and has a total of 163 floors. The Burj Khalifa was built using a steel and concrete structure. The steel was imported from China, and the concrete was mixed on site. The construction of the building was a massive undertaking, and required the use of over 60,000 tons of steel, and nearly 10,000 cubic meters of concrete. The construction of the Burj Khalifa was not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges was the weather. Dubai is located in a desert, and can reach temperatures of over 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit. This made it difficult for the workers to work, and for the concrete to set properly. Another challenge was the height of the building. The Burj Khalifa is nearly 200 meters, 656 feet taller than the next tallest building in the world. This posed a number of challenges, both in the construction and in the operation of the building. The Burj Khalifa is an impressive feat of engineering, and is a symbol of the wealth and progress of the United Arab Emirates. Number 2. History. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest man-made structure in the world. It is located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The building is 2,722 feet, 828 meters tall, and has 163 floors. It was completed in 2010. The Burj Khalifa was designed by Adrian Smith, of Skidmore, Owings and Merrill. The building was developed by Emaar Properties. The construction was managed by Samsung C&T. The Burj Khalifa was built on a man-made island in the Persian Gulf. The island is known as the Palm Jumeirah. The construction of the Burj Khalifa began in 2004. It took 6 years to complete. The building was originally known as the Burj Dubai. It was renamed the Burj Khalifa in 2010, after the ruler of Abu Dhabi, Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The Burj Khalifa has a number of record-breaking features. It is the tallest building in the world. It is the tallest freestanding structure in the world. It has the highest number of floors in the world. It has the highest occupied floor in the world. It has the longest elevator ride in the world. The Burj Khalifa has a number of unique design features. The building has a Y-shaped floor plan. This provides each apartment with a balcony with views of the Persian Gulf. The exterior of the building is covered in a special glass that helps to keep the interior cool. The Burj Khalifa has a number of amenities. These include a swimming pool, a gym, and a spa. There is also a restaurant and a bar on the building's 123rd floor. The Burj Khalifa has been designed to be a sustainable building. It has a number of green features, such as solar panels and a rainwater harvesting system. Number 3. Construction. Construction of the Burj Khalifa began in 2004, and took a total of 6 years to complete. The building was constructed using a combination of concrete and steel, with the steel being used for the exterior cladding. The total cost of construction was approximately $1.5 billion United States dollars. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, standing at a height of 828 meters, 2,717 feet. The building has a total of 162 floors, with the highest occupied floor being the 148th floor. The Burj Khalifa also has the world's highest observation deck, located on the 148th floor. The construction of the Burj Khalifa was not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges was the sheer height of the building, which presented a number of difficulties. For example, the building's core needed to be filled with concrete, which meant that the concrete had to be pumped to a height of over 600 meters, 1,968 feet. This was a difficult and costly process, as the concrete had to be pumped through a small hole in the steel core. Another challenge was the construction of the exterior cladding. The cladding is made up of stainless steel panels, which were brought to the site in pieces and then assembled on the outside of the building. The process was made more difficult by the fact that the building is curved, which meant that the panels had to be cut to fit the curve. Despite the challenges, the construction of the Burj Khalifa was a remarkable achievement. The building is an iconic symbol of Dubai, and has become one of the most popular tourist attractions in the city. Number 4. Challenges. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, and it is an incredible feat of engineering. But it was not without its challenges. The most difficult thing about creating the Burj Khalifa was getting the permits. The city of Dubai is very strict about construction, and they had to go through a lot of red tape to get the permits. They also had to deal with the heat. Dubai is one of the hottest cities in the world, and the heat can be unbearable. The workers had to work in shifts to avoid the heat, and they had to wear special clothing to protect them from the sun. Another challenge was the height. The Burj Khalifa is over 2,700 feet tall, and that presented a lot of challenges. The workers had to be specially trained to work at such heights, and they had to use special equipment. The wind is also a factor at that height, and the workers had to be careful not to be blown off the building. Despite all of these challenges, the Burj Khalifa was completed on schedule, and it is now the tallest building in the world. Number 5. Completion. The Burj Khalifa, also known as the Burj Dubai, is the tallest man-made structure in the world, standing at 828 meters, 2,717 feet. It was built by Emaar Properties, and designed by Adrian Smith of Skidmore, Owings and Merrill. The building officially opened on January 4, 2010. The construction of the Burj Khalifa was a mammoth undertaking. It took a total of 6 years to complete, and cost a staggering $1.5 billion United States dollars. Over 12,000 workers were involved in the construction process, working round the clock to get the job done. The Burj Khalifa is an incredible feat of engineering. It has a total of 160 floors, and is made up of over 500,000 square meters of concrete and steel. The building's core is made up of reinforced concrete, which is encased in a steel frame. The exterior of the building is clad in aluminium and glass, which helps to reflect the heat of the desert sun. The Burj Khalifa is truly a work of art. It is an iconic symbol of Dubai, and is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the city. Visitors can take a ride to the top of the building in one of the world's fastest elevators, or simply admire the views from the ground. The construction of the Burj Khalifa was not without its challenges. One of the biggest difficulties was the heat. The average temperature in Dubai is 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and the temperatures can often reach 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit. This made working conditions extremely challenging for the construction workers. Another challenge was the height of the building. The Burj Khalifa is over 800 meters tall, which is equivalent to around 100 stories. This made it difficult to transport materials and equipment to the construction site. Despite the challenges, the construction of the Burj Khalifa was a resounding success. It is an impressive feat of engineering, and a symbol of Dubai's prosperity. Number 6. Usage. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, and it is an iconic structure in Dubai. It was designed by Adrian Smith, and construction began in 2004. The building was completed in 2010, and it stands at 828 meters, 2,717 feet. The Burj Khalifa has 163 floors, and it is the tallest skyscraper in the world. The Burj Khalifa was built to be a mixed-use development, and it includes residential, office, hotel, and retail space. The building houses the Armani Hotel Dubai, and it has the world's highest observation deck on the 148th floor. The Burj Khalifa is also home to the world's tallest swimming pool on the 76th floor. The construction of the Burj Khalifa was a massive undertaking, and it required the use of cutting-edge technology. The building was constructed with a steel and concrete core, and the exterior is clad in glass and aluminum. The Burj Khalifa is designed to be wind-resistant, and it has a buttressed core that helps to stabilize the structure. The Burj Khalifa is a truly impressive feat of engineering, and it is an iconic symbol of Dubai. The building has set numerous world records, and it is a popular tourist destination. The Burj Khalifa is a remarkable structure, and it is an amazing feat of human achievement. Number 7. Future. The Burj Khalifa was completed in 2010 and is currently the tallest building in the world, standing at 828 meters, 2,717 feet. The building has been a major tourist attraction in Dubai, with visitors able to take a tour of the exterior and the interior, including the world's highest observation deck on the 124th floor. The building was designed by Adrian Smith, of Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, and construction was managed by Samsung C&T Corporation. The main contractor was Emaar Properties, who also developed the surrounding Burj Khalifa district, which includes 30,000 residences, 9 hotels, a mall, and a lake. The construction of the Burj Khalifa was not without its difficulties, with the project facing a number of delays and cost overruns. In total, the building cost around $1.5 billion United States dollars to construct, making it the most expensive building in the world at the time. Despite the challenges faced during its construction, the Burj Khalifa has been widely acclaimed as an engineering and architectural feat, and has become an iconic symbol of Dubai. Looking to the future, the Burj Khalifa is likely to remain the tallest building in the world for the foreseeable future. However, there are a number of other tall buildings under construction that could one day challenge its title, including the Jeddah Tower in Saudi Arabia, which is expected to reach a height of 1,000 meters, 3,281 feet, when it is completed in 2020. There are also plans to build even taller structures, with the 2,000-meter, 6,562-foot Kingdom Tower in Saudi Arabia and the 3,000-meter, 9,843-foot Makamish Tower in the United States both in the early stages of development. Even if these taller buildings are completed, the Burj Khalifa is likely to remain an iconic structure and a major tourist destination in Dubai for many years to come. The Burj Khalifa is an impressive structure that was created through the hard work of many individuals. Despite the many challenges that were faced during its creation, the final product is a testament to the dedication and perseverance of all those involved. The Burj Khalifa is not only the tallest building in the world, but it is also a symbol of human achievement and possibility. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you learned, so do comment below, subscribe and hit that like button.